Good morning, dear children. Today, in this class, I am going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Soil. Children, in this lesson, we all will learn about soil, formation of soil, what soil contains, types of soil, and uses of soil. In today's class, you will learn about what is soil and how does soil form and what does soil contain. Children, this is a picture of earth. It has many layers and its outermost layer is known as crust. This crust is made up of different types of rocks, so it is hard and rocky. Soil is found on the outermost part of the earth crust. You can see hills, mountains, desert, plains, and seas on the earth. Different variety of plants also grow on it. Roots grow under the soil and absorb water and minerals for the plant. Now let us know what is soil and how does it form. Children, soil is the layer of broken rocks, particle and decaying organic matter on the surface of the earth, and it is very essential for the growth of the plant. Children, now let us know how does soil form. By the action of sun, wind and rain, the rocks break into smaller pieces and it is called weathering. Now let us learn the steps of soil formation. Children, you all have understood that soil is formed by breaking up of rocks, and these rocks break due to the action of heat of sun, rain and water. Now let us know how does sun helps in breaking up of rocks. As you can see in this picture, the broken rocks. When sunlight falls on the surface of the earth, it gets bigger, but at night, when the weather cools, the rocks get little smaller. This continuous process brings crack in the surface of the rock. Now, let us understand how does rain helps in formation of soil. Children, the cracks found in rocks get filled with water during rain. As you can see in this picture, it freezes in cold weather and breaks into smaller pieces. Flow of water carries the small pieces of rocks at different places. Now let us know the role of wind in formation of soil. Children, a strong wind carries the broken pieces of rocks from one places to another. In the movement, the smaller pieces of rocks rub against each other and changes into even smaller pieces known as particles. In this picture, you can see different steps of formation of soil. This particle of soil get mixed with dead plants, animals, minerals, water and air and formed soil. Children, this happens not only in one day or 1 month, it takes millions of years and it is a continuous process. Children, dead parts of a plant and animals make the soil fertile and known as humus. Children, soil formed this way may be of different color at different places. It is due to presence of minerals in it. Soil may be black, brown, or red in color. Children, black color soil is good for cotton plants because minerals present in it increases the growth of cotton. Children, this was all about the soil formation. Read this lesson thoroughly, underline difficult words and learn their spellings. Thank you and have a good day.